Hello and welcome. Today we draw this cute little cloud with hearts raining down. I think this cloud would be great for Valentine's Day or for any time you want to show someone that you love them. You can write the name of the person in the cloud or you can leave it plain. The first thing I draw when making this cloud is the outline of the cloud, which is made of these pillowy, shorter lines that connect with points. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want it to look pillowy and you want it to connect at the end so it's a closed shape. The next thing to do is draw the line that goes all the way around the outside of the cloud, and that gives you a nice little shape that's 3D. Finally, you're going to add more lines to make it so you have even more three-dimensional shape. You can choose all of the parts of the cloud, or you can choose just to do some. As you can see, I did one at a time, thinking about how I wanted them to change the shape of the cloud, and I think it looks pretty cute. Next, it's time to draw the hearts. And I chose to draw 3 hearts, and I wanted them to be offset a little bit. So I made 2 at one level and 1 a little bit lower. When I finished the hearts, they're not exactly the same, but I went through and put a second layer of lines around the hearts, giving them a whimsical and fun look, and also adjusting the shape a little bit as I drew those lines. The last thing to do is draw the lines up from the hearts toward the cloud. You want to draw up instead of down because it's easy to find the spot on the heart and draw a straight line up, and difficult to draw a line down to that one pinpoint on the heart. To make this cloud look a little more magical, you can draw a little circle for each of the points on the inside of the cloud. It's a little more decoration and it's super cute and it looks very special. Don't forget to sign your piece of art. I left the center of mine white, but you could color your cloud in, or you could write a name on the inside of the cloud. I may write, "Thanks for raining love down on me," on the inside of my card. If you have a message that goes with this card, please share your idea with me and the community by leaving it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.